How to add check marks into your MS Word document. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add check marks to a Word document in Windows 11. So as here you can see we have this document right here. So this is a sample document on which I will be showing you how you can add check marks into this document. So there are basically two methods, or you can say two circumstances where you will be requiring to add a check mark. The first one in this case is that you only want it in for using them as just a symbol. So that means they won't be able to respond, or they won't be able to checked or unchecked onto the document. Or you can also say that they will be only act as a printed element. So this is the first case, and the another case is that you want them to be interactive so that the user can, or any other person can check them or uncheck them, so they will need to be responding or responsive. So let me show you how you can do both of them. So if you are only looking for adding a check mark icon or a symbol, then there are various methods to do so in Word. So what you can do is simply go to that particular position where you want the check mark to be present, and then what you can do is, if you are on a Windows 11 or a likewise device, you can simply press the Windows and the dot or the full stop. Once you will do this, you can see a number of emojis appear right here. So you can simply click onto this second emoji, and from here you can simply search for tick, and then you can add any of the check mark button from here if you want. And here you can see that they have been successfully added into your MS Word document. If you are not able to do this, what you can do is simply go to the insert tab, and from the insert tab you need to choose symbols from the corner, and from here you can click onto the more symbols, and here it will appear all of the symbols. And now you will need to find the check mark or the tick icon from these symbols. If you are not able to find them here, you have a number of different types of fonts and currency as well. And then from here you need to click onto this font drop down button, and from here you will need to find the wingdings. So you can simply drop down, or you can simply scroll down until you can see this option, that is wingdings. So you can simply click onto this wingdings option, and from here if you will simply scroll more towards the down and side, you will notice that there will be a tick mark icon present right here, but you will need to find it in this particular palette of different types of symbols. And here you can see at the bottom, you will notice these symbols of the tick mark icon at the last line. So you can either choose to add this one or this one depending upon your preference. So if you want to add this one, you can simply click onto this insert button, and here you can see that this tick mark has been added. And if you want to add it to another place, you can simply move your cursor there and then add the another one if you would like this one as well. So simply select it and hit the insert button, and here you can see that the check marks has been successfully inserted. And as you can see, these are not responsive check marks, so they will only be remain in this particular state. Now comes for the second type, in which you are looking for a responsive check mark. So let me show you how to add a responsive check mark. So in order to add a responsive check mark, the first thing that you will need to do is enable or activate the developers tab here. So as here you can see, we currently have not enabled the developers tab. So in order to enable developers tab, simply go to file, and from file you need to click onto this options button at the bottom. Under the options, you can see this option that says customize ribbon right here. So click here, and from this particular table, scroll down and you can see the developer option. Simply click onto this in order to enable that, and then click the OK button. And now you can see the developer button right here, or the developer tab. So simply click onto this developer tab. This will lead you to the developer settings, which are usually hidden by default. So now once you have placed your cursor towards that particular position where you want the check mark to be present, you need to click onto this button that says checkbox content control. So simply click onto this checkbox content control, and here you can see that a check mark has been successfully added, and it is responsive just after I have inserted it into the document. But you can notice that instead of a check mark, it is showing or giving us a cross symbol. So let me show you how you can redefine what symbol should be present instead of this check mark, or this instead of this cross icon. So in order to do that, you need to click onto this properties option under the controls, and once you will click here, you can see this option that says checked symbol, which is currently set to this one, which is a cross icon. So simply click onto this change button, and from here you need to choose wingdings if it is set to something else, and then you need to go towards the last line, and then you can use any of these two options or any other option that you like. So for example, let's say this one, and then you can click onto this OK button, and then click to the OK button again after your change has been successfully reflected here. Click onto this OK button, and now you can see that it is either in this state or in this check mark state. So that's how easily you can add a check mark, whether be it an interactive check mark or a regular check mark for printing purposes. So that was all for this tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, then ask them in the comment section. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.